welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we take a look at the headlines. Railway ticket fare increases after 9 years. New express train from Vasco to Hapa, Gujrat. Proposal of conducting survey for electrification of Vasco railway line proposed in the rail budget. Edgar Ribeiro says certain areas in notified regional plan need correction and rectification. Ribeiro meets CM Parrikar on Wednesday. Parrikar assures detailed discussion on RP after budget session. New government clears outstanding salaries of computer teachers. Computer teachers to get due salary by 20th March. Government to review the HSRP contract. Mentally retarded son murders his aged mother in their residence. Accused son arrested by Ponda police. Suryakant Karmalkar had earlier murdered his father. Over in Sports, Dempo Cricket Club alive and kicking in Goa Professional League 3 scored 3-wicket win over GCA Stars. Sarvodya's poor run continues. Lose to NRB Goa Sports Academy by 15 runs. And what hurt Savio Medeiros team at AFC Challenge Cup? Dismal performance raises question marks on future of national football coach. And now the news in detail. Railway ticket fare have been increased after 9 years. There has been a nominal increase in train fares across all classes of passengers ranging from 2 to 30 paisa per kilometre. Union Railway Minister Dinesh Trivedi presenting his first rail budget proposed the first hike in passenger fares. Minister also announced the introduction of 75 new express trains and 21 new passenger trains. Indian Railways has proposed to recruit 1 lakh people in the next financial year. New express train from Vasco to Hapa, Gujrat has been proposed in the railway budget. There is also a proposal of conducting survey for electrification of Vasco railway line.
I propose to rationalize the fares to cause minimal impact on common man and to keep the burden with tolerance limit. I am asking for an extra only 2 paisa per kilometer of suburban and ordinary second class. I am asking for 2 paisa. Similarly, an increase of mail express second class will only by 3 paisa per kilometer. For sleeper, by only 5 paisa per kilometer. AC chair car, AC 3-tire first class by only 10 paisa per kilometer. AC 2-tire only by 15 paisa per kilometer. AC first class only by 30 paisa per kilometer. Corresponding rationalization in the minimum distance fare chargeable in various classes has also been proposed. I am aware that the large number of passengers face problems at ticket windows because of non-availability of loose change. This causes a lot of hardship and delays. The ticket dispensing forces leading to longer queues. Incidences of passengers having to forego the change due towards them are also not uncommon. In order to address this problem, I have decided to incorporate rounding off mechanism in the fare structure. For all ordinary mail express trains, rounding off will be the nearest 5 rupees. However, for the suburban passenger, I propose to permit a limited exception in the form of downward rounding off also in few cases. By way of example, a fare of 11 will become 10 and a fare of rupees 6 will become 5. The minimum fare chargeable of platform tickets will be also 5. The proposed revision will have marginal impact on the fares. The increase in fares of the suburban second class passenger travelling 35 kilometers will only be rupees 2. For non-suburban second class ordinary passenger travelling a distance of rupees 135 kilometer, the increase will be only rupees 4. For second class male passenger travelling a distance of 375 kilometers, the additional travel fare will be only rupees 12. The proposed adjustment do not even cover fully the impact of increase in fuel prices during the last 8 years. I am keeping the valuable passengers of Indian Railways insulated from burden of increase in the staff cost.
A Bureau Report, Prudent Media. Former state-level committee member architect Edgar Ribeiro has said that certain areas in the notified Regional Plan 2021 need correction and rectification. He says that aspects related to preservation of heritage needs thorough revisit rather than scrapping of the plan altogether. Ribeiro met CM Parrikar on Wednesday.
CM Manohar Parrikar has assured to have a detailed discussion with former Chief Town Planner on the regional plan after the budget session.
We will each one will brief him the way one understands it, and then he will take a decision. So, in many areas I know that things are not correct. In particular, what I'm also worried about, because the Goa Heritage Action Group, I happen to be the chairman, we are a little upset with how heritage is being looked at, and that is something which is very important to retain.
Pilan Citizen Forum's Yatish Naik says that rather than scrapping, denotifying the plan would be appropriate. He says the government should take the draft plan of the task force as the base plan.
Today he has said that he has promised certain things in the manifesto, and he said that he has to keep up to his promise. About how to do it, what to do, we said to him that scrapping this, that scrapping is never the word that we had used. We had used the word denotification. So there are certain technicalities that we'll have to talk to him. So we are talking to him after that, maybe when he comes back.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Omkar Farari.
New government has cleared the outstanding salaries of computer teachers till January. CM Manohar Parrikar has assured that the computer teachers will get their due salary by 20th March. Parrikar also informed that he will discuss the issue with the Diocesan Board of Education within a week's time. The new CM has also made it clear that he will review the HSRP contract through the new Transport Minister. He was speaking to Prudent Media.
Diocesan Society बरोबर जी काही डिस्प्यूट हा तो विषय पुढल्या एक आठवड्या दोन आठवड्यात मेकळटलो. तांचो पगार 20 तारखे भितर तांकां जातलो. आयज पयशे रिलीज केले हांवें पगाराचे. डिसेंबर जानेवारी पर्यंत पगार एका दप्प्याचो रिलीज जातलो. कारण तांची सर्टिफिकेटां तातूंतय भितर घुसपट आहा, एटेंडन्स असले अनेक प्रकार आहा ते मागीर तांकां सांगलां कितें तुमी डिसेंबर पर्यंत किंवा जानेवारी पर्यंत पगार रिलीज करा. 2 म्हयन्याचो दौरा फाटल्यान फॉर व्हेरिफिकेशन ऑफ सर्टिफिकेट्स ऑफ एटेंडन्स एंड अदर थिंग्स. In some cases, attendance also record is not there.
Parrikar also informed us that tender for yet another Pato bridge will be cleared by April. This will help to reduce traffic congestion on existing Pato bridge.
SRP चे डिसिजन जाले फाटले गव्हर्नमेंटान ते तुमी कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट रिव्यू करपाचे.
म्हाका अजून ते कांय खबर ना. मिनिस्टर जालो की मिनिस्टराक विचार मरे 2 दिसांनी. मागीर हांव हे करता म्हणजे थ्रू मिनिस्टर आय विल रिव्यू. पणजीच्या 2 एंट्री एक्स्ट्रा वाडयतलो. ऑलरेडी आय एम ऑन द जॉब टू स्टार्ट. एप्रिल म्हयन्यान टेंडरींग जातलें, प्रोसेस सुरू जातलो. फ्लायओवर हे ब्रिज अक्रॉस रुवे पाट्यावेलो. सायकल सोरांकूच न्ही ते नेवगी नगर कडेन व्हेहिकलाचोय ब्रिज आहा न्ही. ताजें काम ते पाटो डेव्हलपमेंट आयोगातून सगळें इन्स्पेक्शन बी केलें आमी. फाल्यां एक मिटींग आहा, 22 तारखेक दुसरी मिटींग आहा. ताका पयशे अवेलेबल करून दिले इमिजिएटली फटाफट. वर्क एप्रील तूं पळय कितले फास्ट जाता ते. मे म्हयन्या पर्यंत तूं अजाप दितलो इतले फास्ट पाट्यावेलें डेव्हलपमेंट जातलें. ट्रॅफिकाचो जो प्रॉब्लेम जाला पळय कंजेशन पाट्यार, ऑल विल गो.
A reporter from Panji, Lokek Shilkar, with video journalist Demdra Gaonkar. It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.